A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
I'm Bianca, and I'm going to be with you today for 2.5 hours. Welcome to Miami Culinary Tours, and welcome to Little Havana. Have you ever been here? No? I love the virgin buses. Because you never done it before. Okay, well, today, you have any idea what's going on today? What's the tour about? It's about food. Have you read about what we offer? Okay, give me one. Exactly. I'm done with those, but yes, I'm happy to tell you about it. What else? You read anything else? Oh, yes. Usually people say burritos. Yes. Okay, well, today we're going to stop like around 5 times for food. And we're going to go to Cuban restaurants. At least they're Cuban now, or Cuban related. But I'm going to tell you a little bit of the story of the place so you can get to know that we weren't always here. There was another communities before us, like the Jewish on the island. Okay? My voice is a little compromised. Like I work in the port, like a guy who works in the... But anyways, I'll do my best. Okay, we're gonna have the empanada with the coffee. That's our first stop. Okay? Then the Cuban sandwich with the burrito. Then we're gonna go to a pastry. We're gonna have the guava and cream cheese pastry. And somebody get back to me being a vegan. I got you just one. Because I don't know it, but I read that vegans don't eat cheese. Yeah.
They eat air.
Yeah. They themselves. No. I got you guava, just one. Then we're gonna have churros. And then we're gonna have a juice. The lady of the house, we're gonna go to a fruteria, whatever she has for us, we're gonna take it. I hope it's chicken things that you can try. But whatever it is. And then we're gonna finish our tour right now. The ball and chain. The most iconic bar in town, and we're gonna have a sangria. Cuban sangria, I'll tell you later because if I tell you now, you will forget, and then I'll tell you again. So when we get there, I explain to you the ingredients of that Cuban sangria, and then I'll let you know. It's this one. Even has a little bit of a mustache. Come, everybody. Anywhere you see a glass, you can see.
Okay.
A whip was it, right?
No, they're
Oh!
very strong. Everybody knows that I forget to guys. Oh, you?
Yeah, it's coffee.
Okay. Everybody has one?
How would you know?
Yes, yes.
Okay, in Cuba, we enjoy all the way our right hands and we say salud.
Salud.
Any idea what salud means? To health. Exactly, to health. So salud to all of you. Remember, not a tequila shot.
Salud. Yes.
You're supposed to shot it.
No, you're not.
I normally have like one coffee, lots of cream, lots of sugar.
Italian friend always say to me, ciao bella.
Ahí están los dos músicos, a ver. Uno.
Entonces en el sopo.
I'm gonna put the lady here so she's not by herself, okay?
Join our family.
I'm on a food tour in Little Havana. We are at a restaurant called and we're going to have a Cuban sandwiches. So let's take a break.
Medium flavor. Next to it, the shorter ones are mild flavor. Remember what I said. The darker it is, the stronger it's going to be tasted. Okay? When the cigar roller is done here today, they're not ready. They go back inside and they rest for a little while. And then, as much as 90 days, they can be commercialized. From the moment they plant the leaves to the seeds, the moment you can actually hold the cigar, it can be a couple of years. You guys pass it out. Want a picture? They were like 40 years right here, very little. I'll let them change.
I had a great day today in Miami. I came down to the DoubleTree Grand, checked my luggage in, and then went down to Little Havana to meet my tour guide. And I took a culinary tour with Miami Culinary Tours. And Bianca was our tour guide, and she was amazing. She took great care of us. I really enjoyed the tour. We had various samples of food at different locations within Little Havana. All of those were excellent. It was both food and drink. If you had dietary restrictions, were a vegetarian or vegan or whatever, they tried their best to accommodate. The drinks they provided were also available in a non-alcoholic version, so it was okay for children and non-drinkers as well. And we just went to various locations all over, had some Cuban coffee, which they gave that to us in a little bitty shot glass, and that was strong. I don't think I could manage a whole cup of that. But the tour was excellent. I really enjoyed it. I highly recommend Miami Culinary Tours. And if you're lucky enough to get Bianca as your tour guide, she is just amazing. So if you have a few hours to kill, I think this was 2.5 hours. I booked it through Viator and then just met up at a theater there in Little Havana, and it was just great. So I can't say enough good things about the tour. It was a great way to spend the afternoon while I waited for my room, and then I got an Uber back, and on the way back I received the text that my room was ready, so came on up and checked in the hotel. So I'm going to relax for a few minutes and probably get a lot snacked for dinner because we had so much food today. I'll show some footage of all the foods that we tried, and anyway, it was a lot. So I didn't eat it all, but I did enjoy those things that were provided. So that's about it for now, so stay tuned and like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, leave those below. Thanks for watching.